Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the Air Max 97 on Air by Nike, designed by Jasmine Lasode. It's released on Saturday the 13th of April 2019 and it comes in a minimal black box with Nike on Air on the lid. Inside the box you get the shoes wrapped in white wrapping paper with several cities written across it. It also comes with a cool little postcard signed by Jasmine with two extra sets of laces, one white and the other blue with neon yellow aglets. It's a really nice packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Air Max 97 on Air London, nicknamed the Summer of Love and designed by Jasmine Lasode. This shoe depicts a special day with her girlfriend Lauren on their first date. They went to Primrose Hill and on their way they went to a corner shop, bought some drinks, chilled together, listened to some music and watched the sunset. This is then transferred to the Air Max 97 with bright colours that represent summer, high spirits, different fruits, snacks and colourful fizzy drinks that are available at your local corner shop. The neon colours and the 97p written across the shoe represents the colourful tabs that's often seen on your local newsagent. The Air 24/7 tongue tab and the open and closed branded insoles really hammers home that theme too. All of this sits on a white midsole with clear air bubble units with a cool gradient yellow to orange internal airbag that represent the sunset, which is then finished off with neon green, orange and black outsoles. Despite all the details and bold colours, this shoe still feels balanced to me. It's charming without being childish. I won these in a Ralph White Sneakers and Stuff London, so big shout out to them, and I'm really happy to see how many pairs Nike made. I didn't really see many people complaining about missing out. The white dimpled material that wraps around the lower mid panel adds a little bit of texture and shine. Speaking of shine, the reflective 3M wraps around the tongue really pops at night because it's reflective 3M. My only two gripes with this shoe is one, the Good Chat heel tab, which was originally named Bossman at the heel. I wish he kept it Bossman because it's a little bit more relatable to Londoners, but Good Chat is Lauren's original nickname when they met, so it's still very cute. Second is the price point. The Sean Weatherspoons last year were £125 or £130. Now these are £160. I wish Nike kept these a little bit more affordable. But apart from that, this is a good shoe overall. Sizing wise, I went true to size since there weren't many 11.5 available in raffles. 11 is fine, but I would prefer to go half a size if I had the option. These aren't for everyone. I know they're a little bit on the loud side, but I'm really happy to finally get these in. This is to me the strongest shoe of the pack. The other shoes felt quite cool, but I feel like they were a little bit too innovative, a little bit too busy, but that's just my 2 pence. Now it's time for yours. Or should I say 97 pence. Now it's time for yours. Did any of you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Did you pass? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment summer to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.